So there's a quick update that it just came to me and I want to share with you. So initially all hire card holders were supposed to exit Qatar by the 24th of January 2024. But yesterday, which was 20th, so today is 21st. Today that I'm recording this video is 21st of December. It's very noisy, let me go this way. So initially hire card holders had until 24th of January 2024 to exit the country. But yesterday, in collaboration with Ministry of Interior, that's the MOI, and with hire card, they came together to extend the the stay of hire card holders. That is, if you're already in Qatar with a hire card and you are planning to leave by January, now it has been extended. So if you're in Qatar and you are on a you're not on a tourist visa but rather on a hire card visa, then you are expected to stay until February 2024. So that's just like adding 1 month to the whole thing. So if you are planning to leave by January, now you can stay until February. Hopefully by February they can also extend it. And also if you're planning to come to Qatar and you still want to come on the hire card thing, you have until 10th of February. That's the last entry for hire card holders. So if you want to come to Qatar next year, the last entry for you will be 10th of February and your exit should be 24th of February. Thinking of this, I think if you want to come around that time, it's much better that you come with the tourist visa, because tourist visa at least gives you 30 days, which you can sometimes appeal for it and get another 30 days to stay. So I think that is all for now. If you're new on this channel, kindly make sure to subscribe. My name is Malik Sterling. This video is the shortest video I've made so far. If you have any comments, any questions, just leave it in the comment section. Let's get conversative. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe. I love you. Bye-bye. And there's some more information I forgot to add. Now the reason why they've extended it is because of the Asian Cup that is going to start from January until February. So this would allow people who want to come into Qatar and enjoy the tournament to come to Qatar and enjoy. But if you can remember, if you've been following this channel for quite some time now, and you can remember that I predicted this, I said definitely the hire card will be extended. And Expo will still be here. We've just done like 2 months of Expo, and Expo is going to be here for the next 4 months. So hopefully after 2 months of after February, they can extend it to to also stay until March. That is when the Expo will be done. So let's see, hopefully if they can extend it. So that was just the extra information I wanted to add. Bye.